Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to file Doordash taxes on TurboTax. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to have a Doordash account, or you need to be logged into your Doordash account. And once you have done with that, you'll be provided with a 1099 federal tax form that is provided by your employer, and now using that you'll be filling up the information on the TurboTax. Now the next thing is you need to head over to the TurboTax webpage, and there under federal you'll have the option that says business income, and there here you'll have option your income and expenses provided to you. Now here what you need to do is select self-employment income and expenses and then click on start. And once you click on start, here you will be asked, did you have any self-employment income or expenses? Now here what you need to do is click on yes, and once you click on yes, here the next page will also ask you, tell us the type of self-employment work you do. Now all you gotta do is just simply enter in the work that you have, what you do, and then click on continue, like food delivery for driving. Now here what you need to do is just simply enter in the work that you do, like food delivery, and then click on continue. And once you click on continue, here you'll be asked to confirm your food delivery work. Simply click on yes, I work in food delivery, or simply select the option that is preferable for you and then click on continue. And then you'll be asked, how does your food delivery driving work fit in your big picture? Now simply select the option that is preferable for you, and then the next page will ask you how long you have worked in food delivery driving. Now simply select the option that is preferable for you. Now like I started food delivery in 2023, I stopped food delivering in 2023. Now if you select the information, you need to enter in the details when you stopped food delivering, or simply I didn't start or stop food delivery in 2023, and then click on continue. And then the next page will ask you to pay any employees in 2023. All you gotta do is simply select the option, then click on continue. The next page will ask you, did you make these payments for your food delivering driving work? Simply select the option that is preferable for you and then click on continue. And once you click on continue, here you will be asked, any of these less common situations apply to this work? Simply click on this, none of this apply, and click on continue. And now here you will be provided with your general delivery driving info. Now simply just scroll down and check the information that you have entered is correct or not. If it's not correct, you can simply click on edit and then edit it out. And once you check all the information, scroll down, and on the bottom right corner of the screen you will be seeing an option that says looks good. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you'll be asked this, if you drove Uber Eats as you are doing for Doordash. All you have to do is just click on skip this, and once you click on skip this, the next page here will ask you to enter the income for your food delivering work. Now simply select the option form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation, and then click on continue. And the next page will ask you to enter in the details. Now all you gotta do is simply enter in the Doordash details and then fill up all the boxes. And once you are done with all that, on the bottom right corner of the screen you will be asked continue, and that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.